Do you want to raise or lower the volume of your Toyota's infotainment system and it won't work? Do you get audio paused, volume will not be adjusted, or other similar error message? If your Android audio interface is running, the system will allow you to raise and lower volume of apps installed in your car, but often will not let you raise or lower volume of the apps on your phone. To fix this, open up one of the installed music apps on your car's software and press play. With sound coming out of the speaker, you can adjust the level to the right amount for the situation. Once you're at the right level, you can now press the play button on the app on your phone and the speaker will now play back the content at the new speaker level on your car. This lifesaver will make all the difference. I often pull into a parking spot with the music at a lower level after having driven around at low speeds. But when I get back in the car later in the day and jump on the freeway, I need to be able to raise the volume to match the louder environment. This hack, or workaround, makes it all possible. So if you're having issues getting your Toyota's infotainment center to play audio at the right level, try this out. Also, if you have a permanent workaround, one that won't require these steps each time you want to lower the audio volume from the app coming from your phone, I would love to see that in the comment section below. Hopefully this is helpful to you. If so, hit the thumb up or let us know in the comment section below. And lastly, it wouldn't be a video from the internet if I didn't ask you to hit the subscribe button. At least my pleading was at the end of the video, so you didn't have to sit through that before getting the information you came for. Regardless of what you may or may not do, I appreciate your time.